Hello everyone, it's me, Bo Shevasu. I am coming to you with not just a boring jump rope, but no, this is a smart jump rope. Now, in case you're like, Bo, I don't need something like this. But wait, I have found that in order to go up Mount Rainier, cardio is key. And I do it every single year, except for last year, we went up Glacier Peak. But that's beside the point. So in order to make sure that you are in mountaineering shape, my recommendation is to do at least 10 minutes straight of jump rope. If you think that's easy, try to just do 3 straight minutes of jump rope. And these jump ropes help me accomplish that goal. Here's why. There are 3 different modes to this jump rope. Now, you are basically putting the batteries into one side. The other side, it's the same weight, but you're controlling everything on this side. And if you open this up like so, and you click this little thing, you will immediately be greeted by free jumping. So it just basically keeps track of how many jumps you're going, whether it's 1 to all the way to 1,000, how long you are determining how long or how many jumps you're going to be doing it. Then if you go to the next function, if you click that button again, this is time and this is countdown. In order to set this, you hold down the button and then it's flashing 1. Now you can click it again. You can go to 2 minutes. You can go to 3 minutes. You can go all the way up to 10 minutes. Once you're ready to go, hold it down all the way and it will count down and then it goes. And then when it's all done, it will beep again. By the way, if you don't like the beeps, you can actually go into the Renpho app and manually turn off those beeps. Basically, my iPhone connects via Bluetooth, and it's very easy to count about how many jumps, calories, what your workout is. So you're basically getting credit for this workout. And as I mentioned, you can turn off the beeps. Let's go to the last and final mode. And if I were to hold this down, it cancels out of the time. We're going to click one more time. And then this is the amount of jumps that you want to do counting down. So the first mode was counting up. This is the countdown. So let's say you wake up in the morning, you're feeling spunky, and you want to do 200 jumps. Then you just cycle through to 200, hold it down to start, and it does the same countdown, and you're off. And every time it rotates, it is counting down until you get to the very end. Odds are you're probably going to use the actual time function, which was the secondary function here. If you can get to 3 minutes, you are a maniac. If you can get to 10 minutes, I will take you up Mount Rainier myself. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know about tying my life to yours, but I mean, after all, when you're mountaineering, when you tie yourself to someone else, it's just a confirmation and a guarantee that you won't die alone. So when it comes to the actual accessories on this, you can see right here that I have the full cable. You can also get the small little, they're like these little balls that you put on the end. And I don't really prefer that because the longer cable actually gives you an incentive to jump rope correctly. The little balls, really you can just kind of twirl with your arms and you don't really have to even worry about jumping. And jumping is where you get the workout. So to really incentivize that, I would recommend actually putting the longer cable on. I know it's more difficult, but there's more workout in that. So overall, these things are fantastic for travel, lightweight. They're smart enough to keep me accountable with my workout, so I'm just not feeling like, okay, I think I did about 500 jumps, or I think I did about 4 or 5 minutes. No. These keep you on track to make sure you get the most out of your jump rope workout.